This is a hack for a daisy safety button. Here's two buttons. One's from a 880 and the other one's like from a 856 or an 840. So inside the hole, you put a spring in that little ball. A lot of times both the ball and the spring are easy to lose. So if you lose a spring, here's the hack. Now you can get a Bic Lighter. Here's one I've already taken apart. And this is the spring for the flint. There's two springs in the Bic Lighter. One's for the button or trigger, and the other one is for the flint. So this spring here for the flint is the right diameter, same size as the daisy spring, except obviously it's too long. So what I did is I cut a piece of spring 5/16 of an inch long. A pair of wire cutters will do it. And there you go. You have a spring in case you need one. Now there's some vendors on eBay that are selling these springs and they want too much money. And the Bic lighters are readily available. So anyway, here's the hack for the daisy spring for the safety. Leave your comments below.